game right quick? I want to play a game. Can we pretend